What's up guys, today we're going to be putting on this spoiler on this Honda Brio here, and I'm going to take you step by step on how to do it. I'm Sky and you're watching JSL Official. Let's go! Alright, the first step is just to take out these 3M tapes in the rears. Alright, so next we got to just put in these wires onto this hole over here. This is to reroute the brake lamps. And once everything is in, just gotta secure the spoiler with the 3Ms that we took off so we can start working on it from the inside. Alright, now that the spoiler is secured, now we're just gonna do some wiring from the inside. So open your trunk, and these are the wires that we put in earlier. Now that all the wires out, we're gonna put this wire, the rubber hose, into this connector here. This is a vacuum hose. Okay, now that that's in, now we're just gonna have to wire the brake lamps onto this connector here. Alright, now that's all done. Just want to tuck everything neatly inside. Now that everything's tucked inside, we want to put in this rubber cap right inside the hole here, just to make everything look clean. And there we go. Simple. So next, we're going to bolt up this screw here onto a mounting point for the spoiler from the inside of the trunk. Alright, so you just screw it in right there. Alright, now that everything's mounted up, you want to check out your spoiler and make sure it's sturdy. It's all good. Looks like ours is pretty solid. Alright guys, so that's it for the rear spoiler tutorial. As you can see, it requires a few simple steps, but with a little work, you should be able to do it on your own. So, once again, you're watching JSL. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.